Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into the world of AI-powered photo editing. We'll be using Adobe's fantastic generative fill feature to remove face masks from your photos. With this amazing tool, you can edit pictures in almost all possible ways. So, without any further ado, let's try this cool trick. Open browser and search for firefly.adobe.com. Just sign up if you are new over here. Now scroll a little and in the generative fill preview, click on generate. Click on upload image or just drag and drop the image you want to edit. As we have to remove the mask from our face, we'll choose remove. Adjust the brush size by pressing the bracket keys and carefully paint over the mask. Zoom in and select each part precisely. Make sure no mask area is left. Once the selection is done, click on remove. Wait a little for it to generate some options. If you are satisfied with the results, click on keep, else click on more. Choose the one and click on keep. Finally hit the download button. And here's the final image. With a few clicks and the help of generative fill, you can easily remove face masks from your photos in no time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more such cool tricks. Thanks for watching.